The purpose of this video is to show how we can create a screencast or screen video recording using Screencastify, which is a tool that is pushed out to all district employees and students. To find this tool, we need to look in our extension bar in the top right hand corner, and we're going to select the orange arrow with the white camera. When we click on that extension, it will take us and prompt us to go through the initial setup process. This is a one-time process. You'll click Sign In with Google. Sign in with Google again. You'll want to select your account. You may have to type it in. Okay, we're going to grant access for Screencastify to access your Google account. This will create a folder in your Google Drive to house any video that you make using Screencastify. We want to enable our recording tools, our camera and microphone, and drawing and annotation, so click Next. We want to allow, and allow again. Okay, you will say, I am an educator. This is my daughter, so I'm going to say student. Okay, and then you will have some questions to answer. And then it says, it looks like you're all done. It'll bring you to this screen, and you can actually close out this window because we don't need it. After the initial setup process is complete, when we click on this extension, this menu pops up. We have the ability to record our browser tab, our desktop, or maybe even just a webcam only if we wanted to make a single video. We need to ensure that our microphone is turned on, and then you have the choice to either embed a webcam or not. That will give a preview of what your video, of what you look like. There are other options that you can look here. You can change the countdown, you can show the drawing tools, but when you're ready to record, you will click Record. This window will pop up and you will click on this tab on the screen. Notice now we are able to share it, and then it will count us down. You can hide this if you'd like, and then whatever I choose, okay, or whatever I'm doing, my mouse clicks, it's going to show exactly what I've done. And so you'll notice that the extension now has a red recording dot. That means that I am currently recording. If I'm wanting to pause it, I can click on that, and then I have the ability to pause to start my video over, or I can just throw it away. I'm gonna pause it, and I like to stop and think. Sometimes if I want to move on to the next tab quickly or to a next section, I'll pause my video, and then I can click to my next tab here. Okay, and then I can click on this Screencastify, and I'm going to play, and what it's going to do is it's going to jump my video down or to this next part. When I'm done, I'm going to click Stop. Okay, and now I've got lots of different options. Okay, notice that it's saving to my Google Drive. This video is going to be housed directly in the Screencastify folder that we previously gave permission to. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to come up here and title this Screencastify tutorial. Okay, you can get the shareable link from your Google Drive video. You can publish to YouTube. As a district employee, we have access to YouTube, and so I can publish this to my channel. Okay, I can get the embed code, I can share it, or I can even download this video directly, export it as an MP4. One of my favorites, if I'm making a very short video, is to use this, export it as an animated GIF. So there's lots of different ways that you can use this and grab this video that you've just created. If you would like to publish directly to YouTube and house your video there in your channel, you'll click Publish to YouTube. You'll have this opportunity right here, and then there are 3 different versions. You can have a private, which is only you can view the video, public, which means it's searchable on the web, or unlisted. I like to choose unlisted, so that way only those who have the link can watch my video. I can change the title here if I've not already done so up here. Okay, I can give a description, but I don't need to. And then I can click upload, and this will then be uploaded directly to my district YouTube channel. I can then either view it on YouTube or copy that link directly, and now I'm ready to paste it wherever I need to.